Patuloy ang pagpapalakas ng relasyon ng Pilipinas at Amerika sa larangan ng defense cooperation. Ito'y matapos magkasundo ang dalawang panig sa ilang bagay sa ika-6 na negosasyon. Hinggil po ito sa increased rotational presence ng US military sa bansa. Ang detalye ng balita mula kay Waywaya Makalma.
Magkakaroon ng access ang Pilipinas sa mga itatayong istruktura ng Estados Unidos. Ito ay alinsunod sa napagkasunduan ng Pilipinas at Amerika sa ika-6 na yugto ng negosasyon ng Enhanced Defense Cooperation.
The implementation of the activities under this agreement would follow the same template that the locations provided to the U.S. troops would not be exclusive for them, that it can be jointly used, that the facilities would be used to obtain mutual benefits for the U.S. Armed Forces and the Philippine Armed Forces. And in this agreement, and also in the implementation of this agreement, it would be a requirement that the presence of U.S. troops would be temporary.
Kinumpirma ni Ambassador Eduardo Malaya na hindi aabot sa 20 taon ang kasunduan at kada 5 taon ay magkakaroon ng review para sa implementing rules and regulations. Oras na ito ay matapos na ng negotiating team.
With respect to the areas to be shared with the U.S. military, that area will not enjoy any extraterritorial features. Philippine law will prevail in that particular area. That area also will not have an exclusive nature, one that can only be used by the US side. A lot of those areas and its infrastructure would be shared Philippine military.
Muling iginiit ni Batino na hindi nila minamadali ang negosasyon. Pero ayon kay Ambassador Lourdes Iparraguirre, kung matatapos kaagad ang negosasyon at mayroon ng kasunduan bago pa madumating sa bansa si US President Barack Obama, ay magiging pabor ito sa panel. Ngunit anya, karaniwan sa mga ganitong negosasyon ay nagtatagal dahil sa mga probisyon para sa isang kasunduan. Samantala, ipinaliwanag naman ni Iparraguirre kung bakit nawala sa Philippine panel si Assistant Secretary Carlos Soreta. Ito ay sa gitna ng negosasyon ng Pilipinas at Amerika.
It's of course a decision by management. In these negotiations, we talk about rotational presence as one of the modalities. We also have a rotation mechanism in the Philippine Foreign Service. What has not changed, however, is the commitment of the Philippine panel to advance the Philippine interests in these negotiations. And the result of the previous rounds indicate the strong commitment, the enduring commitment of the Philippine panel.
Sa darating na March 24 hanggang 25, ang ika-7 round ng negosasyon na gaganapin. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Waywaya Makalma.